Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Rubal Solutions. This is the question answer series of class 5. This is the chapter 6, working with table. If you want the full chapter, then please go to the playlist section and check for the class 5 playlist. This video consists of only question and answers back series of class 5 chapter 6, working with the table. Let's begin and go directly to the back question and answers. Section A. Fill in the blanks. Dash key is used to move the cursor in the adjoining cell of a table. Tab. The sum icon is present on the table toolbar. The intersection of column and a row forms a dash cell. While changing the column width, the pointer changes to dash double-headed arrow. Dash key combination is used to insert a table. Control plus F2. State true and false. Press shift plus tab key to move to the next cell. False. Tab key or the right key. You can insert columns only to the left side of the selected column. False. Adjacent before or after. Auto fit option adjusts the column width according to the data entered in the cell. True. Split cells option is present on the insert menu. False. You can calculate the sum of value by using sum function. True. Application based question. The teacher has asked Rohan to enter his marks in 7 columns and 6 rows. She has asked him to calculate his total marks using formula. Which formula should he use to find the total marks? The answer is sum function. Ishita has designed her weekly study schedule in a tabular format. He wants to divide a column of her table into 2 columns. Suggest her the option to do the same. The answer is split column, split is cell. Section B. Multiple choice question. The intersection of a column and a row is called cell. Table's icon is present on the standard toolbar. Which key should be pressed to move to the previous cell? Shift plus tab. Which function key is used to show or hide the formula input line? F2. Explain any 2 methods to insert a table in writer document. Tables can be inserted in 2 ways. Method 1 using table grid. Method 2 using insert menu. Method 1. Click on the drop-down arrow of table button present on the standard toolbar. Method 2. Click on the insert menu. Select the table option from the drop-down menu. How will you insert a column in a table? To add a new column, select the column adjacent to which you want to insert a new column. Click on the table menu. Click on the insert option, then select column options from cascading menu. Insert column dialog appears and put details in the insert section. Describe the shortcut method to delete rows and columns in the table. Method 3. Select the column or the row you wish to delete. Click on the delete button, delete row icon on the toolbar. You will notice the selected row or column is removed from the table. How is merge cells option different from split cell option? Splitting a cell means dividing the selected cell into separate cells. Merging the cell means provide a way to consolidate data in one cell. Briefly explain the quick way to change the column width of a table. You can resize column width and row height of the table. To change the column width, place the cursor over the border between 2 columns. Cursor changes into double-headed arrow. Drag the pointer towards the left or right to decrease or increase column width. How will you calculate the sum in the table? Click in the empty cell under the total column. Now click on the sum function on toolbar. You will see text is equal to sum written in formula input line. Select range and press enter. Result will appear. I hope this question and answer series is valuable to you all. See, I am here on Ruble Solutions playlist section. You can see the second class students series, all full forms, third class student series, fourth class students, C programming, fifth class, sixth class, Devi Maan Navratri Kahaniyan, moral stories, grandma stories, Java tutorial, C++, Python, Buddhist content, Osho quotes, UGC net set questions, Kabir Das ji ke dohe, second class question and answer, third class question and answer, Scratch practical tutorial, C running program, fourth class question and answers, graphics tutorial, and fifth class students question and answers. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 playlists are there available for you on the playlist section of Ruble Solutions. We really hope that you are enjoying and learning from Ruble Solutions, and so many videos already on our page. So please visit for the various contents shown on our channel. Thank you so much for all the support you are giving. Love, love. Have a nice day.